Today we're going to take a little closer look at the hydrosphere. So I'm going to read you a little bit about this. Did you know the Earth has a nickname? When astronauts look at Earth from space, it looks like a blue marble because most of its surface is covered in water. It's not surprising that Earth is called the blue planet, or the water planet. What kinds of water cover Earth? One kind is fresh water. We call water that isn't salty fresh. Fresh water is in lakes, rivers, and ponds. There is even fresh water underground called groundwater. Groundwater is the source of much of the world's fresh drinking water. Salt water is the water you find in the oceans. It is also called seawater. Some of the water in the hydrosphere is frozen. There are ice caps and ice sheets at the North and South Pole. These are the big layers of ice surrounding the poles. There are glaciers in many locations on Earth at the poles and in high mountains. How much ice do you suppose is on top of Mount Everest? Water is also in the air we breathe and in clouds. The amount of water vapor in the air around you depends on the temperature where you are and how close you are to bodies of water like lakes or ocean. Clouds look light and airy, but they contain a huge amount of water in them. How much depends on the size of the cloud, but even a small cloud holds a lot of water. Even though clouds contain a lot of water, the tiny water drops are spread over such a large area that the cloud is able to float in the air. Now you know that the hydrosphere is all of the water found on the Earth's surface, from puddles to oceans, in the form of fresh water, salt water, groundwater, and ice. It also includes the water found above the Earth's surface in the air. You can see water in the air when you look at clouds or walk through fog, and when you watch water falling as rain, snow, or hail. So now take a moment and see if you're able to tell your mom or dad a little something that you learned about the hydrosphere.